Anna and I will visit your grandparents today. You stay at home with Mom.
We'll have fun, promise.
Please lock the door carefully. If you have a problem, call me.
Okay, got it, Dad.
I will, don't worry.
Goodbye, Bill.
Goodbye, Dad. Have a safe trip.
The house becomes quiet. The night slowly begins. A man watches the house from the dark street. This house is perfect. This is my next target. Tonight I will rob all the money from this home.
But Mom, what if I have a bad dream?
I'll be right here, sweetie.
Promise?
I promise. Now sleep.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetie.
Oh no, I am stuck in this curtain. Why is this curtain so long? I need to get out quietly. It is okay, I am fine. I still look cool. Let me check this drawer. I hope there will be something good for me. Oh, I only find $50. This is not enough, baby. I will try the kitchen. May there is something special to eat. Something delicious. I will try the kitchen. Maybe there is something special to eat. Something delicious. I feel hungry. Wow, the food in this fridge looks very tasty. This food smells good. I feel very hungry now. This food is very delicious. Oh, I am full. I will eat one banana for dessert. It's yummy for today. I will take some food for tomorrow. Ouch! My flashlight falls away.
Mom, I hear some noise.
Me too, sweetie.
Mom, I feel scared.
Don't worry, sweetie. Maybe there's a cat dropping something in the kitchen. Don't worry, sweetie. I am with you. Let us listen again. Everything is quiet. Let's sleep, sweetie.
It's too dark. How will I search without my torch? Oh, my hand! It hurts so much!
Mom, I heard the sound again.
Me too, sweetie.
Gotta be something here. Yes, what's this? No, keep looking. Oh no, here is only toys. I have to search somewhere else. No money, no gold. I am so angry right now! Ouch! I stepped on something. Wait, what is this? It is a safe. Maybe there is money inside. I will be too happy and make a party if money is inside. I will use this pin and this clip. Click. Wow, there is money and gold here. Now I am rich. I will take all of this. And you go. More.
Mom, I heard something break.
I heard it too.
I am sure there is a thief in our house. Let us go downstairs and check.
Stay close to me, sweetie. Maybe something terrible. Oh my God, the living room is too messy. What happened here?
Mom, run! I'm right behind you. Lock the door. We're safe now.
Hello, there is a thief in my house. Please help us.
They know I'm here. I need to hide somewhere. Ooh, ow! Not the roses! Ouch! The roses hurt me. I need to hide quickly. He hurts by falling down. Sirens are on. Let's move.
Copy that. Approaching the house now.
You are caught. Nowhere to run. No! Stay back! Ah! You are safe now. We found him. Please check, is everything complete?
Thank you, officer. Let me see.
Take your time.
It looks complete. This is the worst day of my life. Thank you, officers. Next time, we must lock the doors carefully.